Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and for this writing question, what you need to watch out for is plural versus singular, and we're going to see why. Raised in a sterile suburban community surrounded by artificial plants, George, Gregory, and Garson shared a desire to become naturalist trios famous internationally. Well, like you do with every single writing question, what you want to do first is try to put yourself in the shoes of the person that might have said or written the sentence originally and get the idea behind what they're trying to say. So here, the idea would be that these three people, George, Gregory, and Garson, were raised in a suburban community that was sterile, that was surrounded by artificial plants, and these people wanted to become internationally renowned naturalists. They wanted to form a group. Now, the problem here is with the word trios because we're only given three names: George, Gregory, and Garson. And these three people form one trio. But because it's in the plural, you'd expect that there would be two or more trios, so at least six people. But we only have three. So anything that has trio in the plural here can't be a possible answer choice. So we can go ahead and cross out the first one, the second one, and the third one, and then we're left with the choice between to become a naturalist trio and of becoming a naturalist trio. And the problem here then is this preposition. Now, when you have a different preposition at the beginning of two answer choices that look appealing, what you want to do is go back to the verb preceding them. And this really comes from memory, but you'll see that a lot of this is ingrained in the way you speak. You've grown up hearing a lot of these verbs. So uh, when you have the expression a desire, and desire is followed by a preposition, the only preposition you can have here is to. You'll never see desire of becoming. You can only desire to become something, and that is because you're going to have a verb here in the infinitive. If any of you have studied foreign languages, you're going to see that a lot of the times when you have something of the form something that ends in ing, it can behave as an infinitive if you have of here. But the correct grammatical way of writing the infinitive is to have to at the beginning and put the verb as though you were conjugating it for the first person singular. So a desire to become is preferable to a desire of becoming. I hope that helped with this sort of problem in general. And the rules are going to change depending on what precedes the preposition you're using and the function that it is that's actually serving. So really just try to think, how do you actually say this, and what is the least cluttered way of saying this? You just think about the way that you speak on the day to day. That's all I can give you. I hope that helped, and happy prepping.